Behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
And it's the beginning of the autonomous period and qualification match number 42 here in Belleville. All three blue robots working. We've got one red robot moving, and Charger Robotics up and engaged in the blue charge station as we go into the tele-operated period with a score of red 9 and blue 30. 66-15, our hometown team from Belleville pops a cube out, and they score in the blue community as they move back into the middle of the field. 81-24, that's the Bear Bots. Set up as a defensive bot, but still playing some offense, trying to move those cubes over into the red community. Charge Robotics has a cone. They're looking for a high score, and they make it. As 85-19, that's the Iron Eagles also score over on the blue side. With about 70 seconds left in this one, Blues up 46-14. No links yet on either alliance as we get close to a minute left. Got a minute left in this one. Charge has another game piece, and looks like they're going to drop high, and they've got it. Their partners have a game piece. That's 66-15. The Belleville team, let's see what they can do with it, as 55-31 grabs a game piece. That's Orange Crush. And they go back for, actually they go back for that game piece. The whistle means it's end game. About 40 points between these alliances, but it's nobody's match exactly yet. We've got two blue robots up. Are they going to get engaged? We got two red robots up, and they are engaged as Charge Robotics keeps working the field. Two blue up, two red up, and this one is done. Score of 97-45. Blue Alliance taking home 3 ranking points for that one.